Hey guys, today in Art Club with Miss Burford, we'll be creating Chinese blue and white vases with blossom. You will need a plain printout of a vase template, some tissue paper in shades of pink, felt tip pens, PVA glue, and a paintbrush or a glue spreader. All you need to do for prep is to print out a plain vase template, which I searched for online, and print this in the bottom half of your A4 paper in a portrait mode. The first step of this lesson is to get a dark blue felt tip pen and draw a design onto the vase. So have a little look at Chinese white and blue porcelain vases online and see what kind of patterns they do. A lot of them involve flowers, so you'll see that I do my own variation of a flower design. This is a great time to talk about filling up the whole space, so filling up the whole area of the vase rather than just small little pictures. And you can really look at lines and patterns amongst this, so I've got some rounded patterns and some stripes on here as well as the main flower design. For the next step, you can add some branches out the top of your vase using a brown felt tip pen. So you want some nice long vases that really fill up that upper space, and you want several so that you can add some blossom on there. And if you notice, I haven't used a pencil to draw these. I've gone straight in with the brown pen and been really brave. With branches you can make them all different shapes and sizes, so if you do something slightly wrong, you can always try and make it look like it happened on purpose. Just make sure you colour in the branches using the same brown that you drew them with, and this will really stand out against the blue and give you a nice background for your pink blossom to pop against. Then using your paintbrush or glue spreader, go around the tips of the branches and add a dot of glue. So this is where your blossom is going to sit. Now add some balls of scrunched up tissue paper. Use a variety of the lighter and the darker shades of pink, and you can also vary the size of the balls, so you can do some slightly larger and slightly smaller ones. And if they're not sitting quite right on the paper, you can add some more glue to just press it down and stick it all together. Keep adding tissue paper to all your blobs of glue that you did. Then go around again with your glue and add some dots of glue for where you want some more blossom to go on your branches. So this time we're not doing the tips, we've done the tips of the branches. We're going to then fill in some of the middle sections, and we can really fill it out with some colour. So some children might have less pink tissue paper on theirs, some might have more, but blossom is never the same, and obviously blossom falls off trees, so that's fine. And then you just need to leave it to dry. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more art lessons like this every week and other art related content every now and then. See you next week for more art with Miss Burford.